Guys, this is Gentle, channel by Gentle Shadow Video Tech. Thank you my fans for your viewing, for your subscription, for your like, for your comment, and most of all for your time you spend in watching my video and also clicking on the bell icon to receive notification of my new latest videos. Thank you my fans, thank you for promoting my channel. Thank you most of all for your love and comment. Thank you fans. Watch this video and get more understanding, more knowledge, more skills in order to perfect your device. Watch. Topic: how to avoid data misappropriation on your device. In this video I will use Android in order to show you, but you can utilize the knowledge, you can use the knowledge in other devices, be it laptop, iPhone, and all devices. You can use this knowledge. And also the subtitle is how to avoid data being lost in your device. Now watch, and also the link of the channels which I get knowledge from in order to help you guys. Subscribe to the channels which is coming up, and also leave your comment. Thanks guys. Watch.
Looking for how your data will be lost on your device and you won't know where the data is or where the file is. In this video I will show you how to avoid that from happening on your device. There is first step in order to avoid that. What are these first steps? I will show you with an example. I will show you guys with an example. Now watch and see it. First step in order to avoid this data misappropriation or data being lost. First, make sure your file manager are well arranged. Like how? Any file manager you are using, be it your home file manager or external file manager. External file manager, what I mean is that any file manager you are installed into your device, make sure you arrange the file. And also, okay, be watching. As you can see, sorry guys, okay. Yes, sorry guys. Now see, click here. As you can see, my file are well arranged. File manager are well arranged. We arrange and delete, and don't have no wait. Anytime you put something into your device, just if it's video, take it to where video is. If it's file, take it to where you kept file. If it's music, arrange it properly. Now also make sure your file manager are set up in recycle. So mistakenly, if you delete anything, uninstall anything, it will be saved in recycle. Then in case it's a mistake, in case you delete it by mistake, you can be able to reboot it. You can be able to reinstall it or receive it into your device. Now let me show you how to do that. How to set your recycle. The one I'm using is ES File Manager. Let me show you guys. I'm using here to demonstrate to show you an example is ES File Manager. ES File Manager. Now click on here. Now click on the side 3-line icon on the head side. On the left hand side, slide down, you will see a recycle bin. In this recycle bin is where the things I mistakenly delete or deliberately delete are being stored. This place, as you can see, I deleted this video and I deleted this image and it saves in recycle bin. Now if I want to delete it completely, or if I want to delete it completely, I'll click on it and delete it. That's the second step. That's the second steps in order to avoid data misappropriation or data being lost without no restoration. Now, what are the two steps which remain? Two steps is make sure your cleaning, as in your cleaning software or your cleaning application, you set it up you set it up not to clean up every. I will show you an example what I mean your cleaning application, not to clean out your file or your images or your data. Now the application that I will use to show you guys what I mean by your cleaning application that runs cleaning in your device. I will use Phone Master. Phone Master is the application I will use and show you what this means. I'll click on this application now. Phone Master. Now click on me. In order to avoid not data not to be clean or data not to be clean, resulting data misappropriation. Click on setting. Now click on this protected apps. Click on it. Here you will see selected app will not be destroyed during cleanup. These apps which are marked good here won't be destroyed when cleaning up. As you can see, this is the third one. The fourth one is the fourth but not the last is data arrangement. Data arrangement matters. The way your data is being arranged. Don't look at mine is on floating. The way your data is being arranged matters, because if your data is not arranged in accordingly, it may result in you looking for an application thinking that it is being deleted. But in order to avoid this, there are some launchers which have arrangements. The app you are not using, one will be freeze the app that you are not using. The ones that you are using, set it up. I will show you how to arrange it if you don't want to stress yourself arranging your apps gallery. I will show you guys. The launcher I'm going to use now is HIOS launcher. This launcher have arrangements. This is the arrangement. We have align top arrangement, align bottom arrangement, and smart arrangement. When you click on align bottom, you arrange it in top column. When you click, most of all, the one I'm using is smart arrangement. When you click on smart arrangement, it will arrange everything in order and their files. In order not to know how I kept my things, I just leave it like this. But in order not to stress yourself, click on smart arrangement. Guys, don't forget to click on the bell icon and subscribe. Don't think that this video is ending. I'll show you another video that emphasize that tell more about data misappropriation. Subscribe to these channels that is going to come up, to these video channels that is going to come up, and also click on the bell icon to receive notification of my new videos. Watch more. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Click on the bell icon, subscribe, click on the bell icon, and click on all to receive to be the first to receive notification as soon as I launch my video. Thanks guys, love you, and to Shadow Video Tech.